Hey, have you ever felt like your favorite apps can, well, read your mind? Like, how do they know exactly what you want to see next? It's pretty wild, right? Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain and see exactly how they do it. It's a really cool secret. Yeah, think about it. You finish an awesome level in your favorite game, and bam, the game suggests the perfect next one. How does it know you'll love it? Or how does a video app know just the right cartoon to show you next? Well, I'll tell you, it's not magic, but it's something just as cool working behind the scenes. Nope, definitely not magic, even though it totally feels like it sometimes, right? Behind your screen, there's a secret system that makes all our favorite apps so smart. Yeah, it's this amazing hidden system, kind of like the engine in a car that makes it go. So, what is this thing called? Okay, so to understand this, let's pretend we're going on a trip. We're going to visit a secret headquarters for all this information. The best way to picture it is as something huge and super, super organized. Let's go. Welcome, everyone, to the giant digital warehouse. Just imagine this place is like the brain for all your favorite apps. It's where all the important information is kept so the app knows what to do. So this warehouse isn't filled with toys or boxes. Nope. It's filled with information. And another word for information is data. Every time you click something or finish a level in a game or watch a video, poof, that piece of information gets sent right here. This whole giant warehouse system has a special name, a data platform. All right, so our giant warehouse is a super busy place. It has 4 really big, important jobs that it's doing all the time to help our apps be so smart. You can kind of think of it like a mail delivery service, but for information. First, it has to collect the mail, then store it, then sort and pack it up, and finally deliver it where it needs to go. Let's look at each job one by one. Okay, job number 1, collect. Picture these big digital trucks pulling up to the warehouse all day long, and they are just stuffed with all kinds of information. We're talking about every click you make, your highest game scores, what videos you watch, all of it arrives here. Next up, we have to store it all. I mean, with all that information coming in, you need a place to put it, right? So it all gets put away super safely on these giant shelves. Seriously, imagine shelves that go on forever and ever, nothing gets lost. Now for the really cool part, sort and pack. You see, when all that information first arrives, it's kind of messy. So these super fast robots zoom around, clean everything up, and put all the similar information together into neat little packages. How cool is that? And last but not least, job number 4, deliver. Once those packages are all neat and tidy, they get sent out to make your apps smarter. This is how your game knows what level to give you next. It gets the right package of information at just the right time. And that's how the whole thing works. Okay, so we know the warehouse stores everything on big shelves. But how it's stored is also super important. Turns out there are a couple of different kinds of storage rooms in our giant warehouse. Let's check them out. First, you have the library. Think about a real library. Everything is super neat and tidy, right? All the books are in the right spot, but you can only put certain kinds of books there. Then you have the pond. You can just toss anything you want into the pond. Any kind of information fits. But you gotta be careful, because it can get really messy really fast if you're not. So what's the solution? Well, the newest and coolest warehouses are the best of both worlds. It's like having a nice, neat library right next to a big pond. You get the neatness and you can store anything you want. They even have a name for it, a lake house. Get it? Lake house. Pretty clever. Okay, this warehouse is already awesome, but it's about to get even cooler. Let's take a peek into the future and see what's coming next. It's gonna be like something out of a sci-fi movie. Get this, soon, super smart AI robots are gonna help run the whole show. You'll be able to just ask the warehouse a question using normal words and it'll find the answer for you. If something breaks, the robots will fix it all by themselves. This means everybody, not just the experts, will be able to use all this cool information. The whole warehouse will basically become self-driving. So, if you remember just one thing from our tour today, remember this. Our giant digital warehouse, that's like the heart of an app, pumping all the information around to keep it alive. And AI, those smart robots we talked about, that's the brain that helps it think and get smarter. And that's the end of our tour. Pretty cool, huh? Now you know the secret behind how your favorite apps work. It really makes you think. If you had your very own giant digital warehouse, what amazing, incredible things would you build with it?